creeper I've ever seen in my entire life.
Dude, what?
The start of the video always like glitches and it shows you making a stupid face and Sassy's off. This is our burping contest.
Yep, burping contest.
I'm gonna lose because I can't burp
Cheers.
on command. Well, good moment. Maybe we can guest appearance in our YouTube show.
I'll pass on that.
I'm totally losing. I think I got a in me.
I think Sassy.
I'm not done yet.
That's all I got. She's going for another one.
I want to say something. The best thing I can say is cuss words in my burp.
Quit burping and not doing anything.
Girl, it's sick. Laugh every time.
Burp sounds every. Well, she's laughing.
So it almost came out of my nose. What should I say?
I'm just getting a tummy ache. I wish I could do that.
Swallow air, maybe that will work for you.
I don't know how anymore.
Go.
I can't do that. Are you burping or are you sucking it in?
You're nasty.
I know.
Trashy, not classy.
So ladylike. I don't have a burp. Where did I drank this whole soda almost, so there's nothing.
I made a Pepsi.
Did you guys remember to take the trash out last night?
Yeah.
I don't have anything. I mean, your burp stinks. How are you guys doing this? What are you doing?
Ooh. When all dude, where's my car on you? I said dude and sweet.
Bree, have you even burped yet?
No, I can't. I don't have one.
Swallow a bunch of air.
I
Just
don't know how. Kamina like, and she's like swallowing as she does it.
Like open your, just go, just swallow.
Eva, is that you burping or sucking in air?
How do you do that?
You guys are gonna die from like something in your stomach blowing up. I thought you were tasting your burp.
I'm gonna laugh. Brienne's gonna try to burp, but it's gonna fart. You're like, I got one!
I have absolutely no burp inside of me.
I have a bunch of air in my tummy. Don't, I'll throw up on you. I just ate an egg.
Well, I lose. I claim Sassy is the winner.
Yay! I
She
said
was
words.
pretty good.
I said ribbit, dude.
Kamina does
sweet,
burp a lot,
wow.
though.